Hello, my friends. Welcome back. I am Emily.
And I am Paul.
We are very happy you are here today.
Yes, very happy.
Today, we talk about something very important.
Very important for daily life.
Today's topic is asking for help in English.
Asking for help.
We all need help sometimes.
Yes, everyone needs help.
Maybe you are in a shop.
Maybe you are on the street.
Maybe you are at work.
Maybe you are at school.
You need help.
But English feels hard.
You feel shy.
You feel scared.
You think, my English is not good.
But that is okay.
Today, we help you.
We go slow.
We use very simple English.
Short sentences.
Easy words.
You can do this.
Let us start with a small story.
A real-life story.
Imagine this.
You are in a new city.
You are looking for a bus stop.
You cannot find it.
You see a person.
You want to ask for help.
Your heart beats fast.
Your mouth feels dry,
You think many words.
but no words come out.
This feeling is normal.
Very normal.
Many people feel this way.
Even people who speak English well.
Today, we fix this.
Step by step.
First, let us learn one very simple phrase.
One small phrase.
This phrase is very powerful.
You can use it everywhere.
Listen carefully.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
This is very important.
We say it before asking for help.
Excuse me is polite.
It is kind.
It gets attention.
People listen when you say it.
Say it with us.
Slowly.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Again.
Excuse me.
Very good. You did great.
Now, after excuse me, we ask for help.
The easiest way is this.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
This sentence is simple.
Very simple.
You can use it in many places.
Shops, streets, offices.
Listen again.
Can you help me?
Repeat after me.
Can you help me?
One more time.
Can you help me?
Good.
You are learning fast.
Now, let us put it together.
We joined the two parts.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Listen.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Now you.
Say it slowly.
Excuse me. Can you help me?
Perfect.
Very nice.
This sentence is your friend. Keep it in your pocket.
Now, let us add one more small word. This word makes your English sound warmer.
The word is please.
Please is a magic word.
We can say, can you help me, please?
Or, please, can you help me?
Both are good.
Both are polite.
Listen.
Can you help me, please?
Repeat.
Can you help me, please?
Again.
Can you help me, please?
Very good.
I am proud of you.
Now, let's use real-life examples.
Easy examples.
You are in a shop.
You cannot find milk.
You see a worker.
You say, excuse me.
Then you say, can you help me, please?
Simple.
You do not need long English.
Short is okay.
Another example.
You are on the street.
You are lost.
You see a woman.
You say, excuse me.
Can you help me, please?
She understands.
She wants to help.
Most people like to help.
Yes, most people are kind.
Now, let us learn another useful phrase.
Very useful.
I need help.
I need help.
This sentence is very clear.
Very direct.
Listen.
I need help.
Repeat.
I need help.
Again.
I need help.
Good.
Very clear English.
You can say, excuse me, I need help.
This is also good.
Listen.
Excuse me, I need help.
Repeat.
Excuse me, I need help.
Nice work.
You sound confident.
Now we practice together.
Repeat after us.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
I need help.
I need help.
Wonderful.
You are improving.
Remember this.
You are not a problem.
Your English is learning.
Learning takes time.
Every time you ask for help, you win.
Yes, you win.
People understand more than you think.
They see your effort.
We are very proud of you.
Very proud.
Keep practicing these sentences.
Use them every day.
You can do this.
You really can.
Take a deep breath.
Take a deep breath.
Smile.
Smile.
Speak slowly.
Speak slowly.
And ask for help.
We are here with you.
Always. Thank you for learning with us today.
See you next time.
Let us continue gently.
Yes, we keep going.
Now we practice more real-life moments.
More daily life.
Imagine you are at a train station.
It is busy.
Many people.
Many sounds.
You do not know which train to take.
You feel confused.
You see a worker.
You walk slowly.
You say, "Excuse me."
You wait.
Then you say, "Can you help me, please?"
Very good English.
Maybe you add, "I need help."
That is okay.
Short sentences are strong.
Yes, strong and clear.
Now, listen to this small talk.
Listen only.
Excuse me,
Yes,
can you help me, please?
of course.
I need help.
No problem.
Very simple.
Very real.
Now, you try.
Repeat after us.
Excuse me,
Excuse me.
can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
I need help.
I need help.
Nice.
Very nice.
Now, another place.
A restaurant.
You sit down.
You look at the menu.
You do not understand the menu.
Many words.
Do not panic.
Stay calm.
Call the waiter.
Smile.
Say, "Excuse me."
Then say, "Can you help me, please?"
You can also say, "I need help with the menu."
Menu is okay.
Listen.
I need help with the menu.
Repeat.
I need help with the menu.
Good.
Very clear.
Now, let us say the full thing.
Together.
Excuse me,
Excuse me.
can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
I need help with the menu.
I need help with the menu.
Excellent.
You sound polite.
Remember,
You do not need perfect English.
you need brave English.
Yes, brave English.
Now, we practice asking for help with a problem.
A small problem.
You can say, "I have a problem."
I have a problem.
This is simple.
Very simple.
Listen.
I have a problem.
Repeat.
I have a problem.
Again.
I have a problem.
Good.
Nice and clear.
Now you can say, "Excuse me, I have a problem."
This is very common.
Listen.
Excuse me, I have a problem.
Repeat.
Excuse me, I have a problem.
Good job.
You are doing well.
Now, let us slow practice.
Very slow.
Excuse me,
Excuse me,
I have a problem.
I have a problem.
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
Very good.
That sounds natural.
Now, a longer, real-life conversation.
Listen carefully.
Excuse me,
Yes?
I have a problem.
Okay.
Can you help me, please?
Yes, I can help.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Simple.
Very simple.
Now, you repeat.
Step by step.
Excuse me,
Excuse me,
I have a problem.
I have a problem.
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Great work.
You sound friendly.
Now, let us talk about thank you.
Very important words.
When someone helps you, say thank you.
Always.
You can say thank you.
Or, thank you very much.
Both are good.
Very polite.
Listen.
Thank you very much.
Repeat.
Thank you very much.
Again.
Thank you very much.
Nice.
Very kind English.
Now, a full help talk.
From start to end.
Excuse me,
Yes?
I need help.
Sure.
Can you help me with this, please?
Of course.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
This is perfect.
Very natural.
Now, common beginner mistake.
Important to know.
Mistake. Using only one word.
Help.
Not this.
But this.
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Much better.
Another mistake.
Feeling shy and walking away.
Not this.
But this. Speak.
People want to help.
Most of the time.
Another mistake.
Saying sorry too much.
Not this. Sorry, sorry, sorry.
But this. Excuse me.
Excuse me is better.
Yes.
Now, more practice.
Repeat with us.
Excuse me,
Excuse me.
can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
I need help.
I need help.
I have a problem.
I have a problem.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Wonderful.
Very clear.
Now, imagine work life.
At work.
You do not understand a task.
You feel nervous.
You go to a coworker.
You smile.
You say, "Excuse me,
Good start.
can you help me, please?
Very polite.
I need help with this."
Enough English.
Listen.
I need help with this.
Repeat.
I need help with this.
Good.
Very clear.
Now, let us say the full thing.
Together.
Excuse me,
Excuse me.
can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
I need help with the menu.
I need help with the menu.
Excellent.
You sound polite.
Remember,
You do not need perfect English.
you need brave English.
Yes, brave English.
Each time you ask for help, you grow.
Step by step.
We believe in you.
Truly.
Keep practicing.
Keep smiling.
English is a friend.
Not a fear.
Thank you for staying with us.
We are proud of you.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.